How to fix Telegram message doesn't exist. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then open the apps manager like this. Now you have to open the apps right here. On this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do here is wait a few seconds, and then after that you have to scroll until you find Telegram right like this. Click on Telegram, and now all what you want to do here is very simple. This is the app informations, as you can see. Now you have to go to the top here, click on this force stop option, and then click on the storage. Click here on clear cache to clear all the cache in the app, and after that restart your phone, reopen Telegram, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.